What is up, everyone? How are y'all doing? Hey, little exciting news, as you may have seen, maybe, but Dektek Tile, for those who don't know, they are the ones that provided the tiles for the log home deck that we built, and we are excited that we're going to start offering Dektek Tiles so that we have the opportunity to have truly an ultra low maintenance deck. So if you have a wooden deck and it's rotten, shaking, got the wobbling thing going on, we can fix your problem. But if you have any questions, you can comment below, or go over to decktektile.com, or you can just go over to their Instagram. They're over there. Great people to deal with and really enjoy it. So stay tuned.